Okay, Chewy, since we know that you build the best and finest trailers in your backyard, we have a customer here that wants to know the process of getting a trailer registered after he builds it. So he has some questions, so we're going to let you explain it to him.
You want me to tell him like legal ways or illegal ways?
Either way.
Either way.
And then with your kids, do you have to buy a rent as well?
You can buy just a tire if you want.
Okay.
What do you want to know?
Mr. Chewy, is it easy to build a trailer at home and get it registered and licensed? Because I've been told it's very hard and I shouldn't build a trailer, but I really want to build a trailer.
Well, the last time we do that, I mean, he take me like almost 3 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's just to have. What if not illegally? What happens if I just got one of my other 16-foot license plates and just put it on my trailer?
Well, a lot of people, this is the illegal ways. That's what I tell them. Which one you want, like illegal ways or illegal ways?
Well, I'm a rancher, so.
So yeah, it don't matter. A lot of people doing like that. If it's kind of like same trailer.
Okay.
I know a lot of people, and other people doing like the illegal way. You know, some people he got like an old trailer,
Exactly.
so somebody he wrecked the trailer. I mean,
yes,
with the
sir.
same link,
Yes,
everything
sir.
size,
Yes, sir.
and just use the same title and the same B number and put another trailer.
There you go.
They
It works.
makes it better.
Simple.
Yeah, I barely got a guy call me like 3 weeks ago. He got an enclosed trailer,
Yes, sir.
but he don't got no title. So he said he find another one in Austin, I think, or somewhere. Like somebody he wrecked the trailer.
Yeah.
So he bought it, just the title and the. I mean, he don't need the trailer.
Yes,
he
sir.
needs just the title. And
Someone
like,
told me to do that. So
yeah,
I-
lucky if you find it, you know, with
Yes,
the same
sir.
size and everything.
Yes,
But like, I mean, the legal ways say he take me like 3 months. The last one. That's what I stopped doing like that.
Wow.
Because he need to go with inspection, get the weight for the trailer,
Yes, sir.
and I think it's a double inspection, and then fill it out all the application, take over there to Houston, and wait it by the time those guys call him back and all kind of stuff.
And you have to provide all the receipts.
Oh yeah, you need to get all the receipt, everything
For, like, all the
Otherwise you get
materials
pictures
and-
all, everything. Yeah.
I thought that was only for FFA, but I guess that's for actual.
No, to prove that you actually built
you need
it,
to
yeah.
prove it, yeah, because you built it, the trailer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you need to get all the receipt, where you got the material, how much your investment on it, and all the stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for actually building the trailer, do you suggest that I get an actual blueprint? Like go to the website or like go online and buy an actual blueprint for a trailer, or just wing it?
Well,
I've already built 2 trailers before too.
Yeah.
So
And how did you build it? You get it like a blueprint?
I
or
got a
you-
blueprint and
Yeah.
I read the blueprint.
Yeah. I mean, this is the best way because if you build a trailer just like that, a lot of people doing it, you never know. I mean, the axles come in a standard size, you know,
Yes, sir.
and by the time try to find the axle, you need to modify the axle for make it fit in the frame, the one that I made it.
Yes, sir.
So best way is to get it like the print online or whatever. I mean, look, a standard size, you know.
Yes, sir.
Like for axle the 95 face or the 8974, whatever, depends what you want to build.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the best way, and easy to find the axles.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I know a lot of people he just make it like by the time to try to put the axle, he don't find the right axle for that trailer, so you need to cut it longer or whatever.
Yeah, that
So
seems
that's
awful.
so, yeah, but I mean, the legal and illegal ways is like that, you know.
Yes,
Get
sir.
the title for another trailer and get the plate.
But we only do it the legal way here, just
Yes,
to
sir.
clarify.
No,
Um,
but I told him what the easy way to do it,
Most
you know.
definitely, yeah.
I mean, if you wanted to do it like a legal way, you're gonna. I don't know about this point. I mean, that's gonna be what, like almost like a year when I do the last one, more that.
Exactly. That's my
But
plan.
I don't know right now how long he's gonna be
Trailer
taking.
park
Yes, sir.
to get it all the
is
stuff.
like-
Try
But
to
it
do it
just,
the legal way, but
yeah,
I just don't know
you're gonna
the
spend the
license plate.
time and go to Houston
Hey.
so many. I went to Houston like 5 times to
Yes.
ask and see what's going on with my application. And say,
Yes, sir.
I need to wait, and I mean, I don't have it, some kind of sign or whatever, or proof, or kind of say, okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
And back and forth, wasting time. So,
You're not the first person I've heard say that. So
yeah,
I
I
believe
mean,
you.
yeah, that's just
Okay,
crazy.
so
Yes,
that's
sir.
what we
Before
have on here.
I built, don't know, maybe like 8 of them. But the first one, when I built the first one, the people with the bought it, he get their title, but he don't spend too much time. He do it in the day,
Yes,
in
sir.
one day.
Yes, sir.
He do everything, but I don't know. He changed it
Okay.
later about that. I don't know because a lot of people he tried to get entitled or stolen trailers.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's what I started doing like that way. All kind of bunch of information. So, yeah, people
They're
who stolen
silver
trailer in
gray
different
color.
state and just bring it to Texas. Simply say, okay,
I do
I'll
have
build
a
it.
black
That's a homemade.
wheel
Yeah.
option
It's not-
for
Yes, sir.
$95.